Hey guys, Chelsea Davis here and welcome to my show. So today is a little bittersweet for me because it is the final episode of season 1. I know guys, it's been great. Thank you so much for following, for subscribing. I got like my fun little YouTube studio set up here. We had a Merry Christmas. We had my favorite things. That was a really fun episode to shoot. And I had a couple fun special guests on the show, including my sister, as well as Dr. Jasmine, my friend who's a chiropractor. That leads me to my big announcement. Drum roll, please. Okay. There's going to be season 2 coming at you in the fall of 2021. Woo! I can't wait. So let me know what you guys want to see, what you're interested in. Workout, cook, sing. We're gonna be doing all those things on the show, so get pumped, people. So May is Mother's Day, so I got a lot of fun things for all the mamas out there on today's episode, but let's start with the Figo Book Club. So I just read an awesome book, and it's called The 4 Winds by Kristen Hanna. As you guys can see, it has that beautiful gold foil cover, which is why I picked the book up initially, but I was so amazed because she was able to parallel how much the pandemic relates to the Great Depression and how similar they actually are. The main character in this book is a badass bitch mom. So if you just need some like inspo, pick this book up. It's a great novel. So check that book out if you guys get a chance. Other things I'm excited about this month, I touched on my herb garden that I started in April, so that's coming along. I still have no idea what I'm doing, but getting ready to throw those puppies in the ground, and we'll see if we can make some magic happen. So that leads me to our workout for the month. So this is for the hot mamas out there who are postnatal, so you just had a baby, whether it be like a month ago, you're cleared to exercise, or 5 years ago and you're still recovering because kids wreck our bodies, okay? Guys, I'm here for you. I got you. I'm gonna be doing a live workout on Friday, May 21st. So check that out and make sure you subscribe, click the bell for notifications so you can be in the know of when that workout is happening. But it'll be that Friday, probably in the afternoon sometime, so stay tuned. But Trev, can you throw me that baby? Yep, okay. I'm gonna be showing you guys a move from the postnatal workout. It's a quick hitter, 15 minutes. This is, so you get to hold your baby through the whole workout, or you don't have to. You could also hold your toddler. You could hold your 7-year-old, whatever you have lying around, honestly. So basically the first move we're gonna be doing is a step back lunge. So we'll stay on the right leg. It'll look just like that. You hold your baby right up to your chest, very safely, holding the back of his or her head as well as their butt. All right, they love the movement. They love to bounce up and down. So that is an awesome move. You guys will love this workout. Check it out Friday, May 21st. Guys, I'm not pregnant, so let's go up to the kitchen and let's start drinking. All right, guys, so it is May, and that means Kentucky Derby. So I thought it'd be a good idea to make a little mint julep. Actually, let me backtrack. It was not my idea, it was Trevor's idea. So Trevor is going to coach me on how to make a mint julep because I'm not really a big bourbon drinker, honestly. This is a very simple, easy recipe. It's just mint, bourbon, and simple syrup. So, but apparently this is like good bourbon, Buffalo Trace. It's been sitting in our liquor cabinet for like 4 years, so it's aging very well. So we're gonna try this out, guys. All right, finishing touch. Here you go, Trev, let's try it out. Cheers. Happy Derby Day and happy Mother's Day. Ooh, that is pretty good. It just, I think I grew some hair on my chest and on my ass. On that note, it's time to sing a little song. looking out on the morning rain. I used to feel uninspired. I didn't think I could face another day. Lord, it made me feel so tired. Before the day I met you, life was so unkind. You're the key to my peace of mind. 'Cause you make me feel, you make me feel, you make me feel like a natural woman. When my soul was in the lost and found, yeah, you came along to claim it. I didn't know just what was wrong with me till your kiss helped me name it.